It's 2026, and it's time to have a serious conversation about that little black box sitting under your TV. For years, the Apple TV 4K has been my go-to streaming device, and it's easy to see why. It nails the basics better than almost anything else on the market. It's fast, the interface is clean and intuitive, and it ties your smart home together seamlessly. The best part? It just works, no fuss, no clutter, no unnecessary distractions. But here's the catch. The current Apple TV 4K is now 4 years old, originally released back in 2022. In the fast-paced world of tech, 4 years is practically an eternity. Software has advanced leaps and bounds, but the hardware hasn't seen a major overhaul in all that time. Apple has made significant strides with tvOS 26, introducing a visually stunning liquid glass design and fun, interactive features like karaoke. Yet, despite all these improvements, the hardware has essentially remained the same. That's why the leaks surrounding the next-generation Apple TV feel so different. This isn't just a minor refresh. We're looking at a potential transformation. Reports suggest modern wireless standards, powerful chip upgrades, and a whole new role for the device in Apple's smart home ecosystem, where Siri and automation matter as much as the movies and shows you watch. The rumors point to a massive leap in processing power, possibly moving to an A7 Pro class chip. On paper, this upgrade promises faster app launches, smoother multitasking, improved gaming performance, and the flexibility to handle whatever Apple decides to throw at it next. But speed alone isn't the most exciting part. The real story lies in what this chip could unlock for Apple's vision of intelligence across its devices. A smarter, context-aware Siri could completely change the Apple TV experience. Imagine finding a movie without endlessly scrolling, controlling your home with ease, and having the system respond to what you're watching in real time. Small annoyances that have plagued users for years could finally disappear. Another key rumor revolves around Apple's N1 chip, a combined wireless solution integrating Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Thread support into a single package. This could mean faster streaming, lower latency, and far more reliable connections, especially for smart home setups. If you rely on Apple TV as a home hub, stronger and more stable wireless capabilities are critical. Many users have complained about Thread networks being unreliable at times, and while it's not always the fault of the Apple TV, an upgraded chip could help address these issues. When it comes to visuals and audio, Apple's current hardware isn't lagging behind. It already supports Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dolby Atmos, ensuring an impressive cinematic experience. Yet rumors hint at further improvements in Dolby Vision, especially aimed at solving a common issue. Dark scenes that look stunning in a studio often lose clarity when viewed in a bright living room. Beyond this, there's speculation about a built-in camera. While this raises obvious privacy concerns, the convenience of integrated FaceTime on the big screen would be a game-changer. Right now, using FaceTime with Apple TV requires propping up your iPhone as a camera, which is awkward and inconvenient. Having everything in one package would make the experience much smoother and align with Apple's ongoing push to make FaceTime more functional on large displays. For gamers, an A7 Pro chip could bring significant enhancements. The improved GPU would allow for better graphics and smoother performance in Apple Arcade games, making them feel closer to console quality. While it won't replace your Xbox or PlayStation, the gap between casual gaming on a TV and dedicated consoles could shrink considerably, creating a compelling option for those who enjoy gaming without investing in a full console setup. Timing for this new model has been uncertain. Many expected a late 2025 launch, which didn't happen, shifting attention to spring 2026 instead. This timing aligns well with Apple's broader smart home strategy. Rumors suggest revamped Siri functionality, expanded smart home hardware, and potentially the long-discussed home hub display. Launching the new Apple TV alongside these updates would make sense, tying everything into a cohesive ecosystem. Even with the new model looming, the current Apple TV 4K remains extremely relevant. Apple got the fundamentals right. It's fast, reliable, and refreshingly free of the clutter and ads that dominate most smart TV interfaces. The home screen stays focused on your content, apps launch instantly, and the experience feels thoughtfully designed rather than thrown together. It already supports the formats most users care about, and pairing it with HomePods for sound creates a truly immersive setup. The Apple TV has quietly evolved beyond being just a streaming box. Casual gaming works surprisingly well, particularly with the controller, and Apple Fitness Plus on the big screen offers a more engaging workout experience than a phone or tablet. Your Apple Watch can stream real-time stats directly to the TV, making fitness both immersive and convenient. For those deeply invested in Apple Home, the Apple TV serves as the brain of the house. A wired Ethernet connection makes automations consistent, keeps accessories responsive, and ensures the hub functions reliably. Home awareness features are another standout. You can check live feeds from security cameras and doorbells directly on your TV. Alerts appear as picture-in-picture notifications while you watch, so you can respond immediately without pausing your movie. This is where the next-generation Apple TV could truly shine. With smarter wireless technology, improved threat support, and better on-screen awareness, interactions could feel seamless and intuitive. Imagine someone rings the doorbell and instead of fumbling for your phone, you tell Siri to unlock the door, turn on the hallway lights, and even instruct the guest, all without touching another device. This is the level of convenience Apple seems to be targeting. Looking ahead, the Apple TV could evolve from a simple gadget into a central system for the home. Picture walking into your living room and saying, "Make the house cozy for movie night," and having the lights, heating, and blinds adjust automatically. The Apple TV could then ask which genre of movie you want to watch, presenting a curated list as you settle onto the sofa. Or imagine your health app suggesting a yoga routine on the TV via Siri, tailored to your stress levels that day. These are the kinds of experiences that make the next-gen Apple TV far more than just a streaming device. It could become the hub of a smart, responsive home. If Apple also releases a home hub display at the same time, the ecosystem would make perfect sense. One device acts as the brain for the living room, the other manages the kitchen or hallway, all powered by the same intelligence framework. While we wait for this future, the current Apple TV remains a powerful, reliable choice. Its speed, simplicity, and integration with the Apple ecosystem make it an excellent option for anyone seeking a seamless, clutter-free smart TV experience. In short, the Apple TV 4K of 2026 is still highly relevant. It's fast, capable, and smart enough to handle everyday streaming, gaming, fitness, and home automation without frustration. But for those craving the next step in home intelligence, the upcoming model could fundamentally change what a set-top box can do. With rumors pointing to a major chip upgrade, integrated camera, enhanced wireless capabilities, and deeper integration with Apple's evolving smart home vision, the new Apple TV has the potential to become far more than a streaming device. It could act as the intelligent heart of your home. For now, the current Apple TV continues to impress, but keeping an eye on what's coming this spring could be worth it if you want the ultimate smart home experience.